Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 140 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are promoting. We're shooting a 1 year challenge where we are using one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can make a full-time income doing so. All right, so go back and watch these previous videos that I'm putting out. Also subscribe to this channel, like this video, guys, kind of gets it out there and helps other people. Okay. So we've made it to day number 140, guys. Let's go ahead and go over here to the My Legion Secret so I can tell you all about it. All right. Now, this is the My Legion Secret back office. If you don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's a email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads coming in every single day. Okay. You can send out one email every 24 hours, okay, to this list. All right. And just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love this service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work, guys. It does convert. Okay. So I would recommend you guys getting started at the link below this video. All right. So this is what your back office is going to look like right here. You have these tabs coming across here. Pretty much the main tab you're going to be hanging out at, guys, is going to be this mailing system. And this is where you're going to go send out all your emails. Okay. So you would pretty much come down here and click on select all. Now there's going to be three ways to send out an email. You can either create your own email. You come in, you put a subject line right here, or you come down here and you put in a body of text. Okay. The other way is going to be using like a AI service, maybe like Chat GPT or some kind of AI email service or something like that to all right, bro, to pretty much send out your emails that way by using the email service, or you can use the free email swipes from the vendor. All right. So you can basically use those to send out your emails. All right. And if you go to clickbank.com, you can sign up for free. They do have a business opportunity section in this e-business e-marketing section that you can go and grab free offers. Okay. And those offers do have pre-written emails that you guys can use. And then all you have to do is copy and then paste over those emails. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. So those are the ways that you can create your email. Now, once you create these emails, they'll be stored right in here. So what you could do is basically whenever you create these emails, they'll be stored in here, and I'll show you what an email looks like. You just pretty much load it up, okay, and then you load up your email, and you have a subject line right here, and then you also have a body of text right here. Okay. So just make sure you click on perfect timing. And then all of them have like a link in it. And this affiliate link is what takes our customer over to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page basically does all the selling and telling for us. So all we would pretty much do have to come down here to the bottom and then just click on send now. And we sent out an email in the mailing system. All right. Now this email is going to go out to however many people. Oh, excuse me. It's going to go out to however many people that you have in your back office, guys. So you can have multiple accounts, okay? And you can build up to thousands and thousands of people. So you would pretty much copy and paste this same email over to your second account, okay? So that's pretty much all you have to do. And you just keep doing that over and over and over again, all right? So just wanted to come in and show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. Now, also, if you do want to promote My Legion Secret itself, you can promote My Legion Secret itself and make money as well by using their pre-written emails right here. Okay, so you would just click on this one and it'll load up the email and then you'll be able to click on send now. So let's say, for instance, you click on that, you import it, and then you come down here to select all, and then that email is going to be available right here for you. Okay. So all you would have to do is come down here and click on perfect timing. And then this email does have a link, a clickable link in it already. And then all you got to do is come down here and click on send now. That email is going to go out to your list, and you'll be able to make money from My Legion Secrets as well. So it's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. I did leave a link below this video. So if you guys come down here, right here, just click on the More tab, click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the landing page. As you can see, I'm not the only one earning money with this service. You guys can see the results and see the testimonials from other people earning income, right? Which is pretty cool. So I'm not the only one making money, all right? There's other people doing it. So all you have to do is come here, click on join now, just a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer, guys, to get started with this program. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to and you can grab business opportunity offers. They're free to use and you can get paid from them. Okay. So today is the 13th was the day that this is, for. Okay. I know it's kind of late right now. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So this is going to be the last 30 days. Okay. Of what these sales look like. So if you come here, as you can see, this has been the algorithm for the last 30 days. Okay. This is the type of income that you can make just starting out, guys. So as you can see, we've been earning it's been pretty for the most part, it's been pretty consistent. We may go a day without a sale or maybe 2 days without a sale. Right here, I was out of town, but once I got back, with the algorithm, as you can see, the algorithm right now, since we're in month 5, we're getting sales every day here, and then we're missing it. We're skipping a day, and then we're getting another sale, and then we skip 2 days. Okay, so from the algorithm, it looks like we haven't went no longer than 2 days to get a sale. Okay, and as you can see, we got one back to back, not one right here, back to back, and then nothing today. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what that looked like. Okay, now later, tomorrow, basically, when I wake up, that whole day for Sunday, we possibly could earn a sale. I did send out my emails tonight. So I'm going to meet up with you guys tomorrow to go over those results and show you what that looks like. But this is just the back office of my ClickBank account. I did create this account just for you guys, just for this series, just to show you what it would look like when you put the ClickBank offers together with My Legion Secrets. All right. So go ahead and get started today, guys. Create your ClickBank account. It's free. Okay. Free to get started. It takes you about 5 minutes to create your account. Once you create your account, you can start promoting these business opportunity offers, guys. Okay. So, like I said, click on that link below this video. Go ahead and get started. Start creating your accounts. Okay. And I just showed you how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. So, I'm going to end this video on that note. And I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.